When success gets close, there's a shift happening. Are you one who hesitate, who doubt? Do you find reasons why it won't work? Do you pull back? Well, it's not because you're weak. It's because something deeper is happening. Your ancestors survived the unsurvivable, but they carried a wound. And I believe that safety meant staying small. That visibility meant danger. That success wasn't for people like us. And that programming lives in your blood, in your bones. But listen, your ancestors didn't survive slavery, colonization, and generations of oppression so you could honor their fear. They survived so you could transcend it, so you could rise financially, spiritually, completely. Your success isn't selfish. It's their victory. It's their legacy continuing through you. You have permission to be great. You have permission to be seen. You have permission to claim what's yours. Your rise doesn't betray your ancestors. It honors them.